I came home to this package and I'm so excited to share that Pixie sent me some fun goodies and I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. I was not expecting this. I am like over the moon right now, so I'm gonna show you guys what. Alright, so we opened it and it looks like we have, hopefully my hair doesn't match, but it looks like we have a 3 easy step glowing skin body wash, peel, and a lotion. So this looks very interesting, and it says we got you packed to your journey for glowing skin. These body treats work together to hydrate, brighten, and exfoliate your skin. Keep these treats with you to make sure you're ready to glow wherever you go. And it looks like it's in a little backpack, which is really nice. So I'm assuming everything's in here, so I'm gonna open this up. All right, so and we have a beautiful little system going on. It looks like we have the body wash, which helps smooth your skin. Then we have the peel, which helps exfoliate. And then this one is the lotion, who gives all the moisture you need. So let's pull these out. So this is actually my second time pulling these out. I just did a TikTok and I'm still excited to, just use these products. I haven't even seen these in the store. At least I don't think so, because I'm always in Target and I'm always looking at the Pixie stuff. So don't think I've seen these, but I'm really still excited to try. But I just did a little sniff test on these two, and they don't have a scent, which is completely fine with me. Not all of my skincare needs to have a scent. I actually prefer that it doesn't most of the time. But let's see. This one I think might have a little scent, but it's nothing crazy strong, so that's good if you don't like scents. I don't think these are anything crazy strong, but all right, let's see what this is. Oh, I think I already read that. Okay, so Pixie, how to glow from top to toe. That's actually really cute. Okay, so let's look at these ingredients. This has I don't even know how to freaking say that. I just said it. I had a YouTube how to say it. Glycolic. I'm fucking it up. Please. I'm messing it up. Anyways, it has a exfoliate and brightener. Then it has aloe, and then it has ginseng, I think is how you say it. And then lactic acid. I probably said that wrong too. But anyways, these are great ingredients. I have them in other skincare that I use, and I am super appreciative of having those ingredients in these products. So I'm gonna definitely try these out tonight, and I can't wait. Glycolic acid. I got it right, okay? I had to freaking YouTube it again. I swear. Okay, so I just wanted to say thank you so much to Pixie. I really discovered them during the pandemic. I wanted to find some new makeup to love, and that's when I really started to use their products. I think I'd used them previously, but I can't really name what I bought previously. But the first thing I really did buy that I can remember is the pink under eye brightening cream. And I've been in love with Pixie ever since. So thank you so much, Pixie. I really do appreciate it. And I love your guys' products so much. And I am always going to be a returning customer. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. So today I'm actually going to try out these because if you can tell, my tan is like very splotchy and like very gross. I'll show you guys my arm in like a minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the wash, and this is to help with your skin texture and exfoliate. So this is gonna help get my tan off, and then this peel I'll have to use while in the shower, and then this is afterwards when I'll put this lotion on. So let me just show you my arm so you guys know what's coming off. So yeah. So you can see right here, like my arm is really splotchy. It's really disgusting. It gets worse like up here. that's like my arm. I cannot go any higher, but that's what it sort of looks like on my stomach and, you know, on my hand. It's just not a good look. So I'm gonna go exfoliate with, let's see. I'm gonna wash first, and then this is the exfoliator, and then I'll put the lotion on, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So a lot of it is coming up. That's from me scrubbing, but I'm just really trying to get it off. But not bad, so I'm gonna do the rest. Just got out of the shower, and that exfoliator at least got 90% of my tanner off. I mean, there's still a little that I feel like I can see, but that doesn't bother me at all just because I'm putting self tanner back on, and as long as the splotchiness is gone, I'm perfectly fine with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and self tan. I got most of the tanner off my fingers too, but I'm gonna go ahead and self tan, and that's fuzz, and I'll be back. So I was sent some PR by Pixie Beauty, and if you guys aren't familiar with them, they are an incredible brand. They are sold in Target, so if you ever go to Target, you know, they're in there and you can see all the other products that they have, and they have a bunch of things to pick from eyeshadows to awesome skincare, which is what these are, a bunch of different liners. They have a bunch of things to pick from and just look at. So if you're ever interested, you can go on their website or just go to Target and, you know, have yourself a little fun time in the little makeup aisle and see what they're all about. So this is a 3-step system to get glowy skin, and I figured I would go through the products and just talk about what I thought about them and can give you guys a little advice on what to do with them. So they have amazing skincare, and this is a part of their Body Treats line, and they have a bunch of things to pick from. I think I have 2 things I've purchased on my own by them that's a part of the Body Treats line, and I've been completely happy with using those products. So this is the body wash, and this body wash smells like spring. When I say fresh flowers, I'm not kidding. It smells like they just came out of a flower shop, and I loved using it, and I love the benefits that this has. So this is a, see, I'm gonna butcher this because I don't ever know how to say these fancy words, but so it's really nice to see that this is listing that it has improvements for your skin texture. So love to see that. I have very sensitive skin. When I say I break out from anything, I break out from literally anything. I cannot put eyelash glue on without breaking out. I am allergic to certain soaps, and my skin just flares up and turns red. So this was really nice if you have sensitive skin. You know, this is a good route to try, and the scent wasn't overpowering at all, just because I have a very sensitive nose, and a lot of floral type of scents like can be really overpowerful, and I found this didn't really trigger anything for me, so that was really nice. I really did enjoy this. So I'm currently editing this video for you guys, but I just want to make sure that I show you guys the ingredient list. The picture I showed before, it's very little and it's very hard to see, so I'm gonna put that in here so you guys can stop the video, pause, and read it, just because I think that's very important. I also went back and I read the reviews, and there was only 8, but they were all very positive reviews. Everyone kept saying how it changed the texture of their skin. It was really hydrating for their skin, and that they're going to continue to use it. The only thing I did see that the cleanser is runny, and I do agree with that. It was really fast coming out. Maybe they'll come out with like a cleanser or like a bottle of some sort. That'd be really cool. But I'm going to go ahead and insert the ingredient list so you guys have that. Just pause it, read it. I think it would be really helpful for everyone. So this is the body peel, and this is going to help lift away any of the dirt or the grime and just get any of that dull skin and make it nice and pretty again. And the exfoliant, it has that kind of like sandy kind of feel to it. It's not really rough or anything, which is really nice because, you know, sometimes that can be really irritant to the skin. It's just very fine, and it just really works really well into the skin. So I like to put this on a loofah. Or you could use like a warm cloth and just like rub it into the skin. I was just using this to get a lot of the self-tanner off. You don't have to use this just for self-tanner. If you just want to exfoliate your skin, just go ahead and exfoliate your skin. I think this is perfect. I don't think this has much of a scent because when I smelled it, I don't really smell anything, and that's not a make or break for me. I personally am not crazy about scents. Sometimes I do enjoy scents, but like I said earlier, like scents do cause a little bit of a trigger sometimes just because they can be overpowering, and then I start to sneeze and it becomes like a whole thing just because I have a very sensitive nose as well. And if you can't hear it already, I'm a little congested from my allergies. So yeah, I really did enjoy this, so definitely would recommend. Love this. I'm gonna go ahead and keep putting in the ingredient list just because I like that stuff, and if you guys do too, I'm gonna put it in there for you, and that's for the people who want to, you know, read that stuff. Also, I went ahead and read the reviews for the body peel, and there's very few but still very positive reviews. A lot of the people who bought the products said they loved how smooth it made their skin and how improved it was, and some girl mentioned how she likes to have the product sit for a little bit and then she'll rinse it off. And then also the price point people really loved, so that's also really good. It's $24. I'm gonna list the prices, you'll see them in the little pictures, but yeah, I'm gonna keep putting that stuff in there for you guys. So the body lotion is next. This stuff is so incredible. I love it. It smells like not fresh laundry, but it smells like springtime, and like I want to fold laundry. Like it just smells so good. Like it smells like the springtime. Oh, I feel like it's on my nose. It just smells like the springtime. It's incredible. It's so silky smooth. Maybe you guys can like see it on my skin, but it just like it's so buttery, if that makes any sense. It's not heavy, it's not oily, it's not a lot on the skin, and it kind of just like melts into your skin, which I love, and it just smells so good. Like this is the best kind of after shower like lotion that you need. So love this stuff so much. I was surprised to see online this one wasn't sold out, but the other two were sold out. But I would totally recommend this to anyone. It feels so amazing. Just finished up reading the review section for you guys for the lotion, and not a lot of comments, but all still very positive. And I read a few of them, and one of the girls had said how light and comfortable the lotion basically is, and probably by her saying that is what I mean by saying silky. Like it just feels so airy and just like perfect. So like you feel like you're wearing nothing basically. So that's why I just personally love the lotion so much. And one girl mentioned how she doesn't think she can go back to her Nivea now, and to me that says a lot because Nivea is a really good lotion. But yeah, you know, I just love Pixi so much, and I was really excited to do this video. And it's not sponsored at all, but you know, I just love their products so much, and I'm so excited, and I hope this was informative as I could be, because I just really wanted to share this stuff with you guys. The wash and the peel are still sold out. The lotion is still available on the Pixie website. You can get it at Target, but I think it depends on your local Target. So you would have to go online and see if they carry it or not. So that's all up to the area you're in, and if they have that or not. It is also $18 for the wash and $24 for the peel and for the lotion as well, just as a reminder. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you here. I love having new people and just sharing my love for beauty and all that fun stuff. So I love you guys so much. I will see you next time.